One of my favorite social studies units to teach this year was about colonial America. My 6th grade students completed a group project to assess their learning. Many students in my classroom are English language learners, so I ensured that I adapted the research and group materials to meet their academic needs. I collaborated with the advanced academic resource teacher to create this unit for my team. The student's task was to create a magazine cover for one of the 3 regions of colonial America. After researching what was unique about life in their geographic region, groups would then craft a title, a geography article, a climate article, a social or civic life article, and a resources article that would appeal to the readers of their area. Their final product was presented at a magazine launch party where we had magazine publishers come to scout out new talent. We were fortunate enough to have administrators and faculty volunteer to be our magazine publishers. At our launch party, students had to present their magazine covers to the publishers and explain how it would help the citizens of their region and entice them to buy and read it. In doing so, students had the opportunity to demonstrate their mastery of the learning outcomes and show that they conceptually understood the differences of and the importance of their region, as well as the interdependence of each region on one another. My learner-centered instructional approach involved all materials being placed on Google Classroom for the groups to use it collaboratively. We discussed possible roles within the group and how they might productively communicate with one another. I listed possible research materials that were accessible to all students' reading levels. Each group worked on the same Google document to take notes and draft article titles. They then used a shared Google slide to generate their cover. This allowed me to easily monitor their progress and add comments and suggestions as needed. I was also able to access the changes and see which students were contributing more to the actual document. The images you have seen in this presentation are the final projects that each group presented. I also included the rubric that each group completed before conferencing with me to assess their work. There is also a collage of the students presenting their magazine covers at our lunch party. The launch party was a huge success, and students were thrilled to share their hard work with the publishers, who were